So if you forgot how to factor, you're going to remember how to factor real quick. Very exciting. Let me show you an example. Well, give me a second. Go get the water. Excuse me. All right. Now I don't do that one. I want to multiply this. I want to multiply this. Thanks. But in order for me to multiply this, I need to put it into factors, into its terms first. Because what happens a lot of times when you're multiplying these rationals together, a whole bunch of junk simplifies out. So basically, like I said, these types of problems turn into factoring over and over and over and over again. Now, I know that most of you guys are probably writing down the problem specifically right now. I'm going to suggest that you don't. Knowing that you have, just give you a little heads up here, you're going to have, in order to multiply and or divide stuff here in a second, you're going to factor everything first. So if I were you, as I'm starting the problem out, I would write down, okay, how do I factor that? 4x minus the 4x squared. What would you do? Take out the 4x. So you have 1 minus x. You okay with that? Okay. Denominator. X squared, what times what's negative 3? Add together to get 2. And I continue on. What I'm doing here, guys, is I'm simplifying the problem before as I'm writing it down. Because you're going to have to factor all of it anyway. Why write down the whole problem to start out with? That just takes so much time. Sir?
So, for this problem, we need to, the x plus 3 on the top and bottom, we need to cancel each other out.
Yep.
And so are those two 4x's?
Yep.
Okay.
So here's what happens. Things start to drop. Now let me ask you this. 1 minus x, x minus 1. They're pretty close to one another, aren't they? But if I took this and I take out a negative 1, don't I get negative 1 plus x? Which is x minus 1. So your answer is negative 1 times x minus 2. And you're done. Don't multiply it out. Leave it in terms. It's a giant simplifying problem. That's all it is. You're just simplifying terms. That's all this is. What's that?
The final answer would be 2x.
If you want, but I don't. It's rare that anybody will ever ask you to multiply out once you get to this part here. It's just leave it. Exciting, isn't it? I'm proud for that.
You can't add first diagram now.
Same deal. That whole idea of difference of cubes, sum of cubes, that comes back. Do we recall the pattern for sums and differences of cubes? It's not 280, is it?
No, just
Those come back often. What is this over that you just don't see?
1.
So you have x plus 3. 8x cubed. What's the cube root of 8x cubed?
2x.
2x, good. So you have 2x minus 1.
Minus 1.
If I square 2x, what do you get?
4x squared.
And then put it together, you get plus 2x, and then negative 1 squared is plus 1. Hey! Looky, looky.
You can get rid of it.
I can get rid of it,
All
and I'm done. Yay, math. Get the nod in the. Right, is it?
Wait, how did you get the 4x squared plus 6?
Sums of difference of cubes. That comes back. This comes back in the significant often. Hey, what changes when you divide?
Sign. No.
That's
No.
when you're dividing fractions. What do? Flip it. So what I would do, as I'm writing this down, I'd factor it like I would. So I've got 5x over 3x minus 12, which means I'm going to write down 5x over 3 times x minus 4.
Next on the top.
And then I'm going to flip it to what times what's 8 that I add together to get negative 6.
4.
Negative 1.
Should there be x by the
Oh, thank you. And again, what drops?
X minus 4 and x.
Everything except for
X minus 4. 3.
yay. And you're done. Keep a tab so many times I drop the marker. So you know how I always flip it? I'm never really looking at where it is when I'm flipping it. I'm always looking around. So I dropped it earlier, but I wasn't flipping it, so but I still dropped it. Fine, you just wait. Fontana claps, okay? They've had classes where they've counted his number of claps in the whole school year before.
Really cool. Wait, why is it x minus 2? Wouldn't it be x minus 4 instead? Oh.
Remember, I flipped it, that's why. Okay? Hey, can I do this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
No! Cannot simplify over addition. You can only simplify via terms. Cannot simplify over addition. Can only simplify when you're in a factored form. So take a second, figure it out. Maybe I'll just say, give you some homework. I think I only have like 11 of them for you anyway.